Hello everyone, I'm Qingyao, and here I'm going to introduce our work in SACV, Joint Relation Transformer for Multi-Person Motion Prediction. This is a joint work with Weibo Mao, Professor Chen, Professor Xie, Professor Zhang, and Professor Wang. Our work focuses on multi-person motion prediction problem, which aims to predict the future positions of drums for multiple individuals based on their historical movements. The written methods are playing significant roles in a wide range of applications, including human-machine interaction, autonomous driving, and surveillance systems. Previous work generally adopt two types of architectures, graph neural networks and transformer. However, graph neural networks usually suffer from the inherent oversmoothing problem, while transformer also shows strong learning ability, only implicitly learns the inter-drum relations through the attention mechanism, and thus lacks explicit awareness of the skeleton structure or other relation information, which is very important for the interaction modeling. To address this issue, we propose joint relation transformer, a two-string transformer architecture that achieves feature learning for both drums and relations. This is the architecture of our model. First, we use two different encoders to obtain initial joint and relation representations of the historical sequences. Next, these outputs are passed to a fusion module consisting of multiple joint relation feature layers, where the joint and relation representations can be fused and updated. Finally, the fused features are processed by the decoder module to output drum positions and distance between drums separately. Now go to the detail. Our drum encoder takes a historical motion sequence augmented with velocity as input, and our relation encoder considers the explicit relation information such as relative drum distance, skeleton structure, and the connectivity between drums. And here is the output representation. We also add learnable positional embeddings. The drum positional embedding consists of scatter embedding and the person embedding, and the relation embedding is the addition of the two related drum positional embeddings. Next is the core part of our model, the fusion layer. Each layer contains two modules, relation-aware joint feature learning and joint-aware relation feature learning. The joint feature learning updates the joint features with our specially designed relation-aware attention, which adds the relation score to the initial attention score to encourage the communication between drums and relation branches, as the formula shows. Here, the relation score is calculated from the relation function, which is composed with the linear projection term and the quadratic projection term. With the relation features and the updated drum features, our drum-aware relation feature learning module later updates the relation features with method collection and local updates. Then, to train the model, we adopt three types of supervision terms, including the drum supervision on reconstructed and predicted drum motion, the similar relation supervision on distance sequence, and the transformer deep supervision. The final loss is the weighted sum of these three terms. Now let's move to the experiment part. We found that the original 3D-PW dataset has a series shifting problem, as here shows. And we thus get a clean version and name it as 3D-PW sum of RC. Here is the result. We can see that our method outperforms the most previous method. We also test our method on the CMU mocap and MuPulse 3D dataset. These results demonstrate the powerful prediction ability and the strong generalization ability of our model. We also conduct a series of application studies to verify the effect of the relation information, relation supervision, as well as the effectiveness of the interaction modeling. Here is the visualization result. Our results are not only more vivid and nature, but also structurally correct compared with MRT and some of former results. Next is attention matrix visualization. Here we can see our model has learned to explicitly generate diverse attention matrix, including the interperson attention, intraperson attention, global attention, and self-attention for different heads. Well, that's all for our work. Thank you for your listening.